Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will continue our discussion with the interface in Java and talk about static and default methods which were introduced in Java 8. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now let us talk about default methods in Java. So prior to Java 8, we were not able to add implementation to the methods in interface, right? So as our methods were abstract methods, which we have already seen in our previous video. But in Java 8, default methods were added so that we could implement the method in the interface itself, right? And there was no need to override the method as we already had the default implementation, right? So as you can see in this video, we have this default method and you can see that I have written this default keyword, right? And we also have the method body which contains the implementation, right? And in order to call the default method, just need to use the reference name and the method name, right? So if I want to call this default method, I'll just use the reference variable of adult or child class and then the method name, and our default method will be invoked, right? So let me run this now. But before that, let me remove this statement as our interface does not contain any speed variable. Now let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And you can see we have the output as adult is running, child is running, and human is walking statement printed twice. So once it is called using the adult reference variable, and the next one is called using the reference of child class. All right. Now let us look at static methods in an interface. So in our interface runner, we have the static method jog, and you can say that this is a static method because it contains the static method and also it has the method body. And now if I need to call the static method in an interface, what I need to do is I need to call the interface name. So runner and then the dot operator and the static method name. So now let me save this and run this. Now let us compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And you can see we have the output as human is jogging. All right. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.